So I've put a list together of the best Wear apps 4 apps that you can download for free for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and others. I've already done a video last year, so I'm not going to include the same apps in this video. If you want to check that out, I will leave a link down in the description. App number 1 on the list is Samsung Internet, a thing that I was actually not even paying attention to until now. It is not on your watch by default and you have to download it first, and this one is probably a little bit better on the LTE version of the Galaxy Watch 6, but like this you can head over to Google and YouTube. I mean, you can use the Google Voice Assistant to look things up, but you might want to head over to Facebook, Amazon or other websites which you normally can't since there are no Wear OS apps. Also, YouTube is great. It may take a few seconds to buffer the website and the videos, but I mean, since you have a built-in speaker, you can listen to videos on the go if you want to. And if you have earbuds, you won't even bother anyone else. You can also set bookmarks to find your favorite websites, so definitely check out the Samsung Internet. Next up, I have a few pretty cool games for you, and the first one is Cosmo Run. It's one of those games that you play if you don't want to think too much. Basically, all you do is trying to keep the rolling ball on the track. Every time you touch the display, the ball changes directions, and if you are too late or too early, your ball will fly off of the map. And through the different geometries, it can get a little tricky sometimes, and it's harder than it looks like. The second game is Jump Drive. Right here, you are trying to get as high as possible in the universe and don't get hit or jump into any obstacles. The first few levels are pretty easy, but as the game progresses, it gets harder and harder and you have to have good timing and a quick finger at times. The Radar Weatherradar app is a weather forecast app, but unlike the ones that you get by default on your smartwatches, this one looks better, to me at least. It has a nicer overview with all of the weekdays, plus this one has a heat map so you can see if it's going to rain or how the weather is going to be in the next time, which you don't get on all of the other weather apps. App number 4 today is Google Home, and this one's probably my favorite of the day since this one works so smooth and it's very easy to set up. If you have any Google devices at home or even just other smart devices with a Bluetooth connection, like for example Goovy, which I use a lot, you can control these ones using your watch. And not only can you turn them off and on, but you can also change the brightness level of your Goovy lamps. Of course, you have to connect the apps to your Google Home account first and log in with your account, but that really only takes 2 minutes and you are good to go. Alright, the next app I got for you is Thermo Check. This app allows you to check the temperature of different objects and surfaces. So first you can say if you only want to check it once or multiple times, and afterwards you have to say if it's wood, that you want to check other materials, water or metal, and then just put your watch on that object and let it do its thing. Since this watch can track your skin temperature, I think it should also be able to track temperatures of other things. One app that is more like a play around thing, and that is the Speedometer app. Like the name of the app says, it's a speed app. This one tells you how fast you're going and nothing more. So in case if you want to sprint a couple of meters and want to know how fast you can go, this is the app that you need to have on your smartwatch. And guys, there we have it. Those are my favorite apps that you can get for free on the Wear OS 4. If you have any other cool apps, let me know down below in the comments. And I guess with that one being said, I will see you in the next one. Peace.